Tapula na lubot ni Honey. Ang lubot niya.
I'm not going down.
Because you're tall. Good morning. Eh, sleep pa ka? Where's JJ? Oh, sleep pa day ka?
I'm here. Bow Wow dropped.
Agoy.
Last time I just saw it in Daddy's bed.
Is it? Maybe it's in Daddy's bed then. Nahanap niya yung kanyang princess. I like your hair.
I can move it.
It's messy. Morning, guys. Gising na aking mga bata. Getting your face. JJ. Look. Look what Daddy first opened. I told
Thank
JJ
you so
we're
much.
gonna prank you.
Thanks, guys.
Here you go.
Thank you.
More. Open quick.
Yes, I need you. I just need to brush my doggy.
Oh, just what I needed. Thanks.
What's it?
T-shirts.
Is it the right size though? I
L.
don't know.
Yeah.
L?
And my dog.
Thank you
Jack
very much.
and Jones.
Oh, I needed T-shirts.
Do you?
Yeah.
Maybe you will get still some more. That's the other
Oh,
pair.
Thank you very much.
That's the other pair.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's from Oni. No, that's from me. That
More
one.
T-shirts. Thank you very much.
Suman ka mag-kiss.
Just what I need. Sucked in T-shirt.
That's from Ate Oni, oh. What is inside?
Is it?
I'm so marites.
Thank you very much, Annie and Peter.
Wow,
Oh,
should I
wow.
know? You know,
They
love
know
chocolate.
me, don't they? Huh?
You love
They know
chocolate.
me. Thank you very much, guys. Way.
Way. Daddy likes
Thank you so
chocolate.
much. I love chocolate. Thank you very much, both of you.
That is. You know what's in this? You know what's in there? We prank you.
Is this a prank?
Yeah. You know what's in there?
Perfume.
That's the one you're looking for last night. We prank Daddy lang, no? Remember, JJ?
Yeah.
I told
Oh,
you. I
you're
was...
so bad to me. Oh, thanks so much, guys.
Thanks for
Oh,
pranking.
thank you very much. Much appreciated.
The inside is there.
Oh, thank you.
It's another kuan.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thanks very much.
It's a cardigan.
Thank you.
Not so thick.
Thanks. Oh, thank you very much, guys.
Oh my gosh, they give me two? Hala, honey, they give me a lot of socks lagi. Yeah. Colorful one.
Thank you.
There you go. What's that?
Oh,
Boxers.
thank you.
Boxer shorts.
Thank you.
This one.
I'll give you this now.
Does they have a pile?
Oh,
Try
the
that
new
one.
hat for work.
No, maybe it's small. Oh, I think it's small, honey.
You try?
I don't
No?
open this now. I don't open this now. I don't open
Yeah, okay, just wait. If you don't like it, give it to the
I like
kid.
it. Oh,
what's that?
Little
Maybe.
perfumes. Ted Baker. Oh, this
Ah.
one. This from mom and dad. Daddy have a pile.
oh,
Oy,
thank you. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
mom and
Dad.
What's inside? Wee! There's more.
It's a box.
It's a box. What is it, JJ?
Watch.
Wow, that's the watch. Ang kadami kay
I can
Wayne,
get
oh.
this on.
Asan na yung kanyang isang perfume? This one.
Wow.
Ito yung...
And open this one.
Ayan yung...
And open.
Pinilhan ko siya
Daddy,
nito.
take a picture. Take a picture.
Dahil picture. 1, 2, 3, smile! Yay! Done! Look! The top is gone. Oh, good. Tara, oh. Yan.
Daddy, you open this one.
Ang ganda nito. Ang bango nito. Same sa akin. Gold. What's inside, Daddy?
I don't know. It's gift wrap.
Oh, JJ said.
I'll play with this one now.
Okay, just wait. I'm just videoing the Daddy. Wow! Skechers!
Thank you very much, Dad. Another. Much appreciated. That's a surprise.
Wow! Oh, wow, that's
Oh,
nice,
yeah,
honey.
nice.
That's so
Wow,
nice.
thank you. They're very beautiful. Thank you very much.
I think that's good for you.
Yeah, amazing. They're you don't have to do the laces
What's
on
your
them.
kuan gani? Your size?
Hmm?
She asked me your size. Maybe I'm mistaken. Size 8?
Size 8.
Yeah, 8.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Open
That's
this one
amazing.
now.
Amazing.
Daddy have loads of gift this time.
And you cut this here.
Okay, I cut. Here you go.
Mommy,
Must be
look.
somehow to-
Mommy, look. I can brush
how you
his
try them.
hair.
Huh?
I've never had so many gifts.
Really?
Ah, sketches. I've always
Wait,
wanted
I
to
can
sketches.
open it.
Yes.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
So
Try
I
it.
can go in there. Did I can open mine. Mommy, look.
Whoa, what happened to your Barbie? Why it's slipping down?
Mommy, but you didn't cut it there.
Oh, you want this one off though?
Mommy, we can brush
So,
people's Mommy, we can
is it nice?
and the hole.
And the horse?
People's hair.
Yeah, you can brush the hair. Teka lang. Ang daming regalo ni Wayne. Na-surprise daw siya this time. Kaya pala, parang nahihiya siya. Nahihiya siya na i-open. Itong isa, oh. Nakaputi na naman. Baliktad pa yung damit. Nagbihis na naman yan siya. Kung sometimes, ulit-ulit si Jenny. Kay ulit-ulit, ha?
Shoes on her.
What happened?
Put the shoes on her.
Shoes on her?
She's on the door.
Okay. Wait siya. Push it, anak. Is it in? Naglalaro ng doll. Is in? There you go. Nagkaputi na naman ang ating Inday. Bagay sa kanila yung mga puti, no? Na mga damit. Isang himala, hindi nagpatanggal ng tag. Tapula na lubot ni Honey. Ang lubot din. Our room is so messy,
The house is a
Honey.
mess.
Woo, let's dance, baby.
Oh, let's dance with the little fellow, mate.
Call the girls to pick this up, oh.
Hey,
No iPads.
I can't
Clean up.
stay. No.
Ay, teka lang. Asan yung? Wala pala dito. Na meron yung bag na blue para dito sa mga... Dito ba? Rubber band. Pili ako nito kay maglaro-laro kami nito. Oh, yung itsa-itsa. Rubber band ba? Hoy. Go na dito toilet ka. Okay, maghabat. Ikaw. Sige.
Where are we going?
Not going.
So don't back.
Hoy.
And have a bubble bath.
Yeah. With JJ. Ikaw. Sige. And wash your hair dayon ha. Kay unsa man mag-ilis-ilis. Oy! Naghubo na. Go there in the toilet. Is that? And show your legs and lagay. Show your legs. Get out your room in the toilet. Mr. Wen? Alam niya nagbablog ako. Hindi yan magtubag. Hindi yan magsagot. Mr. Wen, get out the room and the toilet. Nagkaasawa. Sabi naman, nagkaasawa. Gid talaga siya ng kanang buang ba. Get out! I want to see lagay! Ayaw niya ba ayan, magbastusin siya. I-prepare ko muna tong bat, kay ihabbat ko sila day. Ingon ko sa bat na ba, I don't like my, ayaw ko sa aking bra kay.
I see a booby.
Go in, kay magpabat.
But there's no bubble
The ace is here in the side.
Oh. And boy one.
Boy!
The boy. The boy.
Oh, kita niyo yung aming mga shampoo. Nagkalat-kalat sila. Nagkalat niyan.
Yay! Now! Now!
Saan ko nga tayo arrange dito? Kabisiha, oy. Kabisiha ni Inday Elgin today, oy. Grabe. Double-double man ang trabaho. Naglaban, nagpaligo bata. Lahat-lahat all around the world ay. Kay hala. Matagak man. Wala arrange ng tarong. Alam. Dito na naman ako. Ito oh, marami na naman siyang dinala dito. Tapos na ako doon. Ito yung kanyang tinatabi oh, pag natulog siya every night. Si Jessica yung bawas, Jenny yan, si Princess. So ito, iniklop ko na to last time. Ito pala, para kay baby oh, nakita ko to doon sa ano, sa ilalim ng may araw. Ito yung kanyang gamit. Teka lang, hoy. Kabigat. Ah, nandito pala yung mittens. Ilagay ko lang tong kanyang gamit na talo kasi magagamit niya to pag newborn siya. Pero saglit lang din. Ayan, dalawa yan eh. Binili ko, patay. Binili ko yan for JJ and Jenny pero hindi ko masya sa kanila. Baby na lang yan. Ito yung kanyang mga gamit. From newborn ito. So next step ko is magbibili ako ng 3 to 6 months siguro or 1 to 3 months ganun. Kay malaki ang bata. Tapos pagkatapos ko nito, ganun yun ang aking plano. Pagkatapos ko nito magamit, yung hindi nagamit, i-donate ko. Tapos yung nagamit is i-donate din. I-donate na namin. Hindi na ako mag-keep ng madami, sobrang madami kagaya kay Jessica at Jenny kasi ang bahay ba mapuno siya. Mapuno ng mga gamit. Okay. How many times I kuan this oy? Fold? Well, out of breath, honey. It's like we make a baby. Si Winnie nihinga. Ala, kailangan na naman ako magbili ng bagong ganito. Inaantok. Huy, inaantok na naman ako eh. Unsa naman ni matapos kaya ito ating mga trabahoin dito sa bahay. Tapos, morning! Ang aga naman natin nagising oy. Maaga pa ito sa akin ha, 9 o'clock na. Ngayon magluto ako nagluto ako kahapon ng maraming salad. Ito oh, potato salad. Ang dami kong niluto kaso pag search ko sa internet, 3 days lang pala to siya dapat i-fridge. Potato salad with carrots, with egg and everything, chorbalu. Yan yung aking niluto. Kaya nag-crave ako niyan. Hala, 3 days lang siya. Hindi ko naman ito maubos 3 days. So, kain-kainin lang natin yan ah. Yung aking mga upload sa Christmas late. Kasi, ang dami ko di bang absent. Sa Christmas at sa New Year. Okay lang yan ay. Wala na late kay basta maka-upload tayo. Magluluto ako ng mais. Hi! Magluluto ako ng rice. Kaya magpakain ako sa mga bata. Pero I think hindi na ito sila kakain ng rice. Ang kinakain yan every morning is toast. Yeah, where is the rice cooker lang? Here. Meron pa akong manok dito. Yan na lang yung aking iulam. What do you want for your breakfast, anak? You don't know? Good. Nagplano ako ba na magpanyulo? Kayo ang aking buhok. Mag-ambot na unsa naman. Oy. Magpanyulo kini Inday. Ha? Uy, nag-shoes.
Because my feet is cold.
Is it? Nag-shoes naman na siya.
Because I like them.
What is it? Oh, Koy, nag-shoes. Ikaw na talagang nag-shoes, Inday. Nagballerina na po ka? Drink ko anak. Vitamins lang.
Yeah! Well, you said drink.
Eat. vitamins nila Inday early in the morning. Ito yung kinakain nila na vitamins. Tapos ayan yung mga vitamin dyan, oh. Marami siyang vitamin na naka-max. Mag-slice tayo nitong strawberry nila na ka-reduce from 2 pound to 50p, 58p. What? I'm washing your strawberry, anak. So, ito na lang yung aking i-slice. Okay. Buka namin to sa Morrison last time. Tapos, sa Morrison kasi pag late ka napupunta sometimes, meron silang madaming mga bagsak presyo ba. Down to 2 pound, maging 58p na lang. Lalo na pag fruit, sabi ko kay JJ, kunin mo lahat ng strawberry. Ayan. Pag mayroong lanta, hindi nila yan kakainin. Ang lamig naman ito. Uy, okay kaya ito pakain sa kanila? Mas okay daw mauna yung fruits kaysa sa... Ay, nalanta na nga itong isa, oh. Hindi ko ito nakita. Okay. Here you go.
Yay! I can use it with one hand.
Yeah? Nasa hagdanan kumain. Early view ng ating lugar. Wala, uy, grabe ka, sobrang lamig. Hala, ice? Ay, wala namang ice, kaso medyo malamig. At least, hindi umuulan. Happy New Year! So, late naman ang ating upload sa Christmas at New Year. Maaga ako maglalaba. Meron akong, may 2 batch ako ng labahan dito. Okay. Ito yung hindi ko nalaban last time. Nandito sa sahig. Wala, ang dami naman ito. Uy, hindi ko alam kung makasya man ito sa isang labahan. Si Wayne, tulog na tulog. Si Wayne. The plane?
It flew to South Korea,
Yeah.
landed in South Korea,
Yeah? What happened?
and crashed.
It crashed. The plane.
Yeah,
Oh no.
and there's 70 people dead.
What are they? British? Mixed?
Korean, I think.
Korean?
From Bangkok to Korea.
Oh no. Look, anak. The plane crashed in the Korea. Magtimpla lang ako ng kape ni Wayne kasi si Wayne is gising na. Wala na siyang muffin. Every morning kasi yan siya nagma-muffin. Ang aga din gumalaw ng aking bata sa aking tiyan. Kinamusta niya, okay lang ba daw yung aming baby sa tiyan? Sabi ko, yes. Baby's okay. Ito yung coffee ni Wayne, oh. Ayan, yung kanyang coffee. Sorry? What? Hindi ko siya nag-gets. I didn't understand what you said. Hoy, bad man na. Coffee. There's no muffin. What's that? The news?
It wasn't the dirt. It's not warm. 70 people.
Mommy, can my hand?
Huh? I don't know where it is. Where did you put it?
No, you put it
Oh, so
somewhere.
didn't buy any, did I?
No.
I
You
picked
put
them up, I
it
put them back.
somewhere.
I put it somewhere? How come I put it somewhere? Where is it, honey? She said I put it somewhere. I
You
don't
wouldn't put
even
it
know.
on me?
Oy, I didn't know. Oy! Rescue, rescue. Jenny's iPad lost. Naka-insert. You insert lagi. Is it there? The good daddy putting the kids to the bath. And the lubot is the...
You know where my iPad is?
Hmm?
Do you know where my iPad is?
No, I don't. Where did you put it?
I don't remember.
Sweet? The mango? Lami? Yummy? Nag-red pala yung kanyang mata dahil yan sa sabon kanina pagligo nila. Tapos, sama na maglingkod ang isa. Sit sweet, Jenny. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jennifer po do, nag-red yung isang eye niya. They're eating mango. After nila mag-take a bath, nagkaon sila ng mangga. Kaya magluto ako ng pasta nila for their lunch. Ang bilis ng oras, no? Parang kailang lang. Higa-higa lang kami ni Mr. doon sa taas.
Go buy your iron.
Sorry?
When the baby come out, we can go to buy iron.
Yes, on summertime.
When the baby come out.
Yeah, summertime.
to give the baby. Oh,
Mommy. Mommy and Daddy.
No, only Daddy because he's not going on the ride.
Yeah. The baby will be in the pram. Yeah, you excited? See your baby? Huh?
No, you go to the hospital.
Soon?
And Daddy will watch me and JJ.
Yes, Daddy will look after you when Mommy go to the hospital. Are you excited, JJ? You gonna take care of our baby? Yeah? And Jenny as well? Wow!
I will give.
Hello. Udto na lang, wala pa yun. Si Inday ninyo, alam nyo, nagligo ako sa kanila, naglaba, nagkuhan. Ang bilis ng oras ngayon, magluluto na naman ako ng lunch nilang dalawa. Happy si Wayne, dahil happy daw ako, nakikita niya na happy na ako. I'm trying my best. Sometimes, meron pa rin tayong yung low sa ating life, pero we need to think na mas marami pa yung, di ba, may problema. Char. Nakaligo na inyong Inday ninye. Nakaligo na inyong Inday. Pero ang aking damit na ginamit ko ata ito last vlog. Pero nalabahan na to siya, ha? Oh, wag niyo asipin. Walang ilis-ilis mas Inday. Ay, nalabahan na ito. Yes? Honey, do you want your pizza on? Or no? Ha?
Yeah! Me JJ eat pizza!
Okay. And Jenny wants some
Fish fingers.
fish finger. And Mommy wants some. Mommy and Daddy want
Potato
some
salad.
potato salad and this. Meron. Naka-reduce. Uy, we both wearing blue.
Wait, blueberries.
You, honey, and me. Blue.
No.
Blue star. Ay!
Here on the field.
Put in JJ's butt.
Let me put it in my belly.
Jenny. Up.
Put it in my belly.
Ano pa tayo?
Put it in my belly.
Somebody's like eating
Ane?
pasta.
JJ.
I think I need to switch
Wait,
then.
cha.
No, I don't want it.
Like this.
No.
Blair.
No, 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 no.
Bele na lang.
No.
Bele.
No, me pass. Me no want. Me do it to you. Me do it to you. Stick it on me and your boobies.
Why did you change it?
Because it's been dropped and it's gonna go. fish everywhere.
I'm cooking. Nag-cooking yung Inday. Nag-isip, diba ako, na magpanyulok na ako ba? Inday ninyo, panyulok. Sus, ano sa naman niyo eh. Pero yung aking kulay buhok, nawawala na. Maybe soon. Soon, and very soon, after 10 years. Panyulok yung Inday. Magluto ako ng ganito. Ito, yung Morrison na ano to. Ano sa kaya ni siya? Lumpia. Oh, at fish finger. Tapos si Wayne, mag-ano lang sila ni Jessica. Mag-pizza. Yan lang yung aming kinakain do. Nagbalik na naman yung aking kuwan. Uy, luod-luod sa aking baba. Ito na, usa naman ako nila. Magkamuti Q ang inyong Inday. Dahil maganda ito sa ate. Lutuin ko ito kay sayang man. Ako lang man kakain ito. Hindi ko lang damihan ng sugar para hindi masyado matamis. Kamutikyo ako. Kunting sugar. Okay, pites. Mura lang kasi itong kamuti nila dito. Diba? Oh, ganito yung kulay niya. Ganyan. Brown. Brown? Brown di ay day. Guan na ako, uy. Okay, magbalat muna ako nito. Kaya magluto ako ng kamatikyo. Hindi ko makain yung mga bata nito. Oy, ako lang talaga. Nag-iisa. Luto na ang lumpia. Luto na ang fish finger. So, kainan na. Ay, nagluto pa pala ako ng kamuti. Ito yung aking sugar. Sa giliran yung aking kamuti is nandiyan. Nagbukal-bukal. Daarang kamuti. Natawa na ako sa aking kamutik yoy.
Where's the blue bag for all these elastic bands? You don't know?
Morning, another day, day. Sa Inday ninyo, naligo ng maaga. Ganito yung ating routine. Magligpit, kaya madaming liligpitin. Maglagay lang ako ng siway, nagliligpit dun sa isang side. Ang mga bata, no? Saan sila? Nag-iPad na naman. Kahit madami silang toys, kaya wala talagang point mamili ng maraming toys. Kaya hindi naman nila laruin, oy. Naglalaro sila. Ano lang talaga sa iPad. Nagaling sa kanila. Pag-arin sa ako, oy, kahit hinihingal na ako. Mabigat na ang aking tuyan. Ang aking tiyan sobrang bigat na. Hinihingal ako tapos kuan. Tapulan.
Pulan?
Tapulan, lazy.
Papulan.
Tapulan.
What's this tub from, Robin?
Paps! Sige, kayo maghatbat dahil, magbabat dahil ha? Nag-request ang ating maninay ng Paps. Sabigyan natin dyan ng Paps. Nagkakalat-kalat pa ito dito ang aming kusina. Uy, kay. Yan yung kanyang Paps. Damihan natin para madami siyang kainin. Mamaya na ako mag-arrange nito dito. Focus ko sa taas at maglaba. Amin ang labuno ni Inday. Uy! Nag-order na ako ng, ano tawag dito? Basta mayroon akong in-order para doon sa bed ni baby. Ngayon, masigregate ako nito kayo. Laba ako eh. Oh, ang dami nito. Naipon kasi to. Dahil hindi ako naglaba ng for 1 week. I didn't wash the clothes for 1 week. But it's okay because my high is bad. Hindi naman nagko-complain si Wayne. Yung mga bata doon sa baba, hala, uy, kadami-dami naman ito, uy. Ano kasi to, when I was decluttering, I saw a lot of clothes. That's why, ang dami, naipon siya. So, I'll put the whites diha. Sigurigit muna ako nito, eh. Tapos, naginahinay na kami mamili ng mga gamit dun sa isang room. Diyan kay baby, kay sabi ko kay Wayne. Kung mag-antay pa tayo ng ilang months, ang hingali na ako, wala na akong power, magtulong-tulong sa'yo. So ngayon, pahinay-hinay namin binibili yung bed. Hindi na ako magbili ng changing mat. Hindi na ako magbili siguro ng changing table at saka yung bed talaga ni baby dahil last time si Jennifer hindi naman ginamit. So, sayang lang sa space. Ang bibilin ko is yung bed at saka yung lalagyan ng damit ni baby. Drawer. Yun yung aming main na bibilhin. Tapos yung car seat na pang newborn. Medyo madami-dami talaga tayong bilhin. Back to zero na naman tayo. But it's okay. It's okay kasi blessings naman ang baby and we did really plan to have another one. Para same sa amin ba? Ako, si Wayne, at si Wayne, si Craig, yung kababata nilang kapatid. Wala kaming balita, di ba? Nagkasakit yun ng cancer. Tatlo sila. Ako din. Ako, si Ayin, at ang aking kapatid. Tatlo din kami. So, yun po yung ating gagawin. Medyo busy na tayo. Sobrang busy ngayon na month, no? Dahil meron tayong pagpasensyaan nyo pala yung aking mga upload is medyo late dahil sometimes, di ba, absent ako. Kaya hindi nagkakatugma yung ating upload. Kaya absent man yung Inday Iljen, so sobrang late ng iba nating upload. And I hope you understand, Inday Iljen. Naningkamot yun ako gidit-edit. Para ma-edit ko na talaga. Di ko na yan. Ganyan na yan siya. Parang pang tatluhan. 1, 2, 4. I don't know. Hala. 5. I don't know if we have enough space doon sa baba. Nakaano na kami ni Wayne ng uniform just kakahapon. Teka lang. Paliguan ko muna din yung mga bata. Dalhin ko sila dito sa CR. Uy, bisihaday, uy! Muna ang salang ng aking labahin. Ay, naku. Paps! Sige, kay maghabat day, magbabat din ha. Nag-empty ako dyan kay magsasampay na naman tayo. Ba't man ito sarado? Excuse me! Hello my friend. Dito na naman tayo. Mag-folding muna ako nito para hindi na magtambakan. Kay, nagtambakan ang mga bata. Nagkain doon. Nandun pa sila sa baba. Si Wayne naliligo. Kakatapos niya lang yan mag-arrange dito sa kanyang room. Ngayon. Gihingal naman ko. Naunsa naman ko. Kumusta ay kayo? Salamat pala sa inyong mga greetings ha. I tried my best na makareply sa inyong comment ba. Pero sometimes na hindi ako nandyan. Kaya alam niyo na inyong Inday. Huy. I'm out of breath. Noon siya may breath natin, oy. Wala na yung breath ni Inday Iljen. Ay, naku. Gastos kayo, no? Pag Pasko. Dito, Pasko lang yung gastos kay mamimili man sila ng regalo. Tapos sa Pilipinas, kay exchanging gift man sa atin, no? Iba man yun sa ating culture sa Philippines. Pero sabi nila, mingaw na daw. Hindi na daw ganun ka ano. Dati kasi mag-December sa amin kaya mag-social kami yung maghanap kami ng partner na lalaki. Tapos friends lang good. Tapos mag-marching ganun. Tapos exchanging gift. Exchanging gift. So ngayon, tiklopin ko ito. Binilhan ko si Wayne ng madaming mga boxers. Just kay kana siya bitaw, no? Mamili lang yan siya, pero hindi niya, mga medyas niyan, mga ganito, mga kulor-kulor. Mga color blind, baya yan siya, no? Minsan, ang medyas niya, ganito. Luya man, oy. Kaya binilan ko siya ng madaming ganito. Same na kulay, mga black. Black lang siya ba, para hindi na siya mag-match-match na ambot sa iya, kaya hindi pa rin yan gagamitin. And I hope na pagsabihan ko yan siya, na gamitin mo naman yan, honey. Kaya binili ko ba yan sa'yo. At yung mga damit niya, iwan ko, colorblind kasi siya doy. Kaya sometimes mahirap mamili ng damit ni Wayne ba. Kaya hindi niya makita yung kulay. Bagay sa kanya, puti. I don't know. Gusto ko yung lalaki na puti yung sinusuot. Kayo din ba? Bagay sa inyong asawa, mga puti. Maligo sa dodong. Tamang-tama, pagkatapos niya maligo, tapos na ako dito. Uy, kugihan lagi ko kur. Nagpalihi tayo sa New Year dahil nakugihan ako dahil. Ayan pa yung ating view. Kailangan pa yan natin i-finishing. Finishing. Madami pa yan. Diyan. Oh, plato. Ito dito. Oh, sa ilalim yan. Sinabi ko, mga bata, wala. Hoy! Katawin man. Are you done?